Hi there. So Claude Code has emerged as one of the most popular coding agents out there, thanks to a lot of the built-in features like subagents, parallel agents, and also a really solid plan mode. And now you couple it with some of the best models provided by Anthropic like Opus 4.5, which are great for programming. This combination is loved by developer teams and also by indie devs who want to strip out SaaS offerings or complex workflows very quickly, thanks to the combination of a really solid developer experience provided by Claude Code. But of course, that comes at price. You have to either go with the pro subscription, which will cost you $17 to $20 per month, or if you want higher limits, you'll have to pay for the $100 to $200 of Claude Max subscription. Now, not everyone could probably afford that. So, with one of the recent developments, now you can actually use Claude Code with Ollama. And this is the blog post that was launched on January 16th. So, Claude Code can now basically officially support Ollama thanks to the native support of the Anthropic APIs within Ollama, which enables you to use all of the different open source models that you might be running locally with Ollama directly inside of Claude Code. So here we'll go through this step by step, and we'll basically share how you can also set up the same workflow of using Ollama models instead of Claude Code or the built-in Claude models. And the great thing over here is that with this, you don't need to have a Claude Pro subscription or a Claude Max subscription. You just need Ollama and a good enough model. And of course, Ollama also recommends some of the models that you can download and use instead of having to need an Opus model or a Pro subscription from Claude Code. So in order to get started, of course, these primarily cover how you can install Claude Code, and they also share specific instructions on Ollama. So when you're using an Ollama model, ensure that you do have Ollama running. So in this case, you can see that right now in my Claude setup, as I'm running Opus 4.5 and I have a Claude Pro subscription. So I'll just close this for now, and I'll quickly look at my Ollama. So for installing Ollama, you can just go to the Ollama site and download Ollama. If you're using Mac, you can just do brew install Ollama. And here I can take a look at my current set of models, which are listed here. So the ones that are recommended by the Ollama community as well, you can see that some of the coding use cases ones, they have recommended GPT-OS's 20 billion parameter model or the Qwen 3 coder model. So I have already installed the Qwen 3 coder model here. In order to actually install any model from Ollama, you can just do Ollama pull and then the name of the model. So for example, if it's Llama 3, so you can just do Ollama pull Llama 3 and it starts to actually download that model. And we'll of course pause it for now. And the next step is just to basically configure our settings inside of Claude Code to use the Ollama models instead of using the base model, which is 4.5 Sonnet or Opus, depending on the system. So in order to actually connect Ollama with Claude Code, you just need to follow these specific instructions, which is setting up the environment variables to connect and use Ollama. So here we'll use export Anthropic auth token, and we'll set this as Ollama, and then we'll also put up the base URL. So this is the base URL, which is the Ollama server, which serves at localhost 11434. And with that, we should be good enough to get started. So in this case, what we're doing is that, of course, you initiate Claude Code with the help of the Claude command. And here we're just passing an additional flag, which is this model flag. And we'll just pass the Qwen 3 coder latest, this particular model ID. So I can just do Claude and then model and then pass this model name here. And when we initialize this, so you'll see that instead of showing like the Claude Pro subscription and the Opus 4.5 or the Sonnet 4.5 model, now it's just showing me API based usage and the Qwen 3 model that's actually going to run locally. And depending on this API usage, of course, since we are running this model locally, you will not really incur any cost at all because the model itself is being run locally. And you can also actually opt for the Ollama Cloud. So Ollama Cloud provides you the capability to run models on the fly online. So here, if I go to settings, you can see that if you're trying to use Ollama Cloud, then you get some level of hourly and weekly usage. And in order to actually use the cloud models or the cloud models, you need to create an API key. And here you can basically set an API key and start using it. We'll just quickly go through that workflow in a bit, but just wanted to also cover that you can opt for both on-device models and also with the open source models that are available via Ollama Cloud. But now you can just basically ask it a question, what is React JS? And now it will start to respond. And instead of using an Opus 4.5 or an Anthropic based model, it's just running this all locally. So with the comfort of just your system and the models running completely open source locally in your system, you can get that entire capability. And now you don't have to pay for Claude Code. So you saw that it just generated the response, but instead of having to use tokens that are being utilizing your Claude credit, it's all happening locally thanks to this. And now I can exit out of this, and I can also quickly walk through what if you want to use the Claude models, but or the Ollama Cloud models instead of the local. So in that case, you just have to basically go ahead and follow these instructions, which are if you want to connect to ollama.com. So in this case, the base URL earlier we were using the local host 11434. Instead of that, you will just use ollama.com, and here you'll just paste that. And the other thing is you need to generate an API key. So for generating the API key, you can go to Ollama Cloud, just log in, and now generate the API key in this API key section. So I can give it a name, generate this key, and use it with this particular environment variable called Anthropic API key. So just to export Anthropic API key and just pass this. And then we can basically use Claude, provide a model. So in this case, we'll use a model which has been recommended by them, which is, for example, GLM 4.7. But here we're also providing a tag, which is Cloud, which will use the Claude model. And now you'll see that it will begin to use GLM 4.7. And of course, in this case, it will use the Claude or the cloud credits from Ollama. It's still better and probably is going to be cheaper because you also get a lot of free credits that are available for you to use with the cloud usage on either an hourly usage or a weekly usage basis. So as long as you're meeting them, you can actually use even the Ollama Cloud completely for free with any type of model that you might want to use. If you go through all the list of models that are supported, there are a bunch of different cloud models, including from Gemini, from GLM, some of the most popular models which are available. You can directly use them with the Cloud API as well. And of course, if you are interested to go a bit deeper, you can not only like use Claude Code, but since now Ollama natively supports Anthropic APIs, so here is an example where you can see that we are providing the base URL of Ollama, providing API key as Ollama here, and we are using one of the local models that is running. So in this case, it's running Qwen3 coder model. So if you want to directly just use this with the help of API, you can also use that. But of course, the main usage will be for an AI coding agent like Claude Code. So why is this really essential? Because this enables you to use powerful open source models from Ollama that enable you to not have to need like a subscription, which can be pretty expensive for folks. And if you have a powerful enough system that can run a model like Qwen3 Coder, which is actually pretty decent for doing a lot of the different tasks, you can now combine it with a lot of the built-in features which are programming friendly from Claude Code and create a really nice experience of running everything locally and without having to pay for anything. Because Ollama is a great way to run local open source models, and you combine it with the coding capabilities offered by Claude Code, so which makes a really good developer setup for you to do some on-device programming. So that's about it for this video. If you like, please do share it and also comment below in the video. Thank you so much for watching.